you and I have the camera. Can the camera see me now? That's good. That's a good thing. That's a good thing right there. It's a good thing. Jenny, I love you. And your brother's not bad. Yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding, Josh. Joke. You're funny. Except you fell asleep during the movie, so that kind of sucks. Yeah. You closing up on my boobs.
If your face is your boobs, then sure.
That's her eye.
It's gorgeous.
I mean, ow. It blinks. It blinks a lot.
Is that your star look? Right there, you just wink.
I probably look so very retarded in this video. I'm sorry to so very retarded people that I just offended. Bye. Where'd Taylor go?
She left yesterday.
Oh.
Seriously?
Josh looks like an elf in that picture. She looks like an adorable elf, though. She's that adorable little elf.
I thought you said elephant.
No, elf.
I thought he was going to be offended in this video.
Elephanted. Oh, really? Is that a whale?
No, it's a shark.
Oh. Shark Week. Ooh. La la. Sounds like a French cow.
No, it's mulala.
Oh. Oh! Moolah. Sounds like a French cow. Moolah la.
Mulala. What are you, comedian now, Sabrina?
Okay, good. Sorry, I had something in my throat. Not what you're thinking. Not what you're thinking, you perverted little child. You should be watching YouTube videos about choking. It's disgusting. You disgust me. You should be thrown away in prison forever. Do you like my nose? Just kidding. Shark Week.
So what you doing?
This house is a prison. Oh my gosh! Just kidding.
Then why you here, huh?
Is that soy sauce?
No, that's pop.
Oh, okay. I have some soy sauce for my rice. Jenny left her earrings here, and Robert's gonna be all pissy because these are real. A ghetto kid that I know bought these. These are real.
He said they're like $180.
Yeah, these are $180.
We're selling them right now, so if
We're selling
anyone
them on eBay. eBay, look it up.
for $5,000, anyone want to buy
For
these?
6,000.
Abraham Lincoln actually wore those. So,
These are Abraham Lincoln's. He wore these in his belly button all the time.
but no one ever knew until he
Like,
said.
Just kidding. I would never have a belly
He had a
button.
secret life too. He was a belly dancer.
Yeah.
So,
Jeez, you guys should read the autobiography I wrote about him. Lincoln.
you forgot the title.
Lincoln.
Oh, okay, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, you can't see it that well because the camera's messed up. Oh, where's the broken nail? Does that offend you? Because you can go suck my weenus.
Your Venus is your
I can't even
elbow.
flip you off with this finger. It's impossible. He was flipping me off yesterday, Robert Hammond. So you know what, Robert Hammond? You can go suck a wiener. Because I know how you like hot dog in your mouth. That's disgusting, you disgusting little pervert. Hope you die in a fire. And I won't even call you Dad. That doesn't even make sense. I think watch Separate Lives is a great movie. Where'd Liz go?
She went home.
What the heck? Where was I when this was happening?
Downstairs with my brother.
Ooh, sexy.
Mm-hmm.
What were me and your brother doing downstairs?
Watching TV.
Okay.
Separate couches.
Gay.
Between a wall.
Gay.
And 2 TVs.
Darn it! This is gay! Because we're in... No.
No, that was your dream.
What was my dream?
I don't know.
The dream that I had last night?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
What was it?
I can't remember.
It was so funny. Tell us.
No, wait, let me think about it. Let me think about this. Let me think about it. Wait. I can't remember. It's impossible. It's impossible to remember things.
No, it's not. Just think.
Oh! No, I can't remember. I'm just kidding. Gross, when did I laugh like that?
So, have a fun party yesterday?
There were only like 6 people there. Not even. There were 5. Actually, Robert Hammond came. So that's -3.
I don't get it.
Because he's a nobody. No, why did he have to come? Jenny, I love you to death, but Robert Hammond is gross and icky.
They were on top of each other right
They
there.
were like humping each other on this couch.
This exact
right
same
here.
spot right here.
She was like, and he was like, oh, and I was like, it was so gross. He had to be here. It was like disgusting. I was gonna puke in my mouth, and then I'd have to like spit it up on Josh, because Josh hasn't come in. That's right, Josh. That's right. He's behind this wall somewhere.
I think he's downstairs.
Oh, he's down. He's in hell. Hell's not down there. It's deeper.
Oh,
Under the basement is hell.
yes. Where the dirt and the worms go.
I need to pee so bad. I'm gonna like pee my pants on your couch.
Well, say goodbye, Sabrina.
It's okay. I don't have to pee anymore.
Oh, okay. Well, say goodbye anyways because this is 6 minutes long.
That's depressing. Good day, YouTubers and Facebookers alike, and MySpacers and whatever other weird websites you guys go on to look up porn. Just kidding. You shouldn't do that. That's inappropriate. You're like 12. Don't do it. I know I'm
And
hot.
this is Sabrina Talk with Sabrina.
Should I flash you guys?
Oh, you would like that, wouldn't you?
Should I flash you guys?
Oh.
Should I?
Okay,
No,
okay.
no, it's not gonna happen. It's not
Alright.
gonna happen.
Yeah.